introduce you this product. This is for shopping mall car. The shopping car advertising screen you can see. Yes. Okay, let me show you this. Okay. Without any cable, because inside with the battery. This you can see here. It can be picture and video, and you can see the details. Lock. Yeah. Lock this. Lock here. Lock the. Yeah, car, and also here it is very stable. And see the back. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, see the back. Okay, inside open, and you can see the interface, the USB, SD card, RJ45, HDMI, DC. Yes, and here I have a button. You can see now. Now this is on, and now I will turn off. Just here, have a button. See the battery. Okay, open it. Yeah, this is the door. Okay, this is the battery. You see here, you just move it out, and you can move it out to charge. And now, after we charge it, we just move in. This is the cable. Yes, put it inside. Yeah, to have the space. Put it inside. Yeah, and now here. So you can see, yeah, this is the details I show you, and the base, yeah, can lock, and okay, the screen and the back, door, the battery inside, the interface inside, okay, just like this, okay, and here you can see this is our customer's book order, all here. Yeah, we will check one by one and test and packing and shipping to our customer. This size is 33.3, non-touch. And also, you can let it smaller, 10.1 or more big, according your shipping car. Okay, thank you. Bye.